Hey lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and I wanted to kind of showcase this a little bit. I found out about it the other day as I was trying to look up what the best recommended kind of filter I should get for my blue snowball, because I didn't think that a pop filter would really work for something like this. So I just simply did some fishing around on YouTube, and I found out about this thing called Voicemeter. And I think you can already tell how drastically it's changed the way my voice sounds. So in case you don't already know this, I'm in a very echoey room. So because of this, I have this little deal right over here that lets me drag the echoiness. So you see here, the bar going left and right is for fixing echoes, and then the up and down is a pitch correction. So now my voice is going to come through a lot deeper, and it's going to come through with way less echoiness. So it should hopefully sound a lot better. This is my first time actually recording a longer session on OBS, but I wanted to show you guys some tests that I used on Audacity. I didn't use Audacity to make any changes to them. I just wanted to let you know that they exist. I also did some more things over here with the virtual input. So as you can see here, I had it actually decrease the bass, the medium, and the high. Whatever that means, I actually don't know what that honestly does. I just simply noticed it's there, and I wanted to take advantage of it. So here we go. So now I'm going to show you guys all the way from the very beginning all of the tests that I did on Audacity, and I can't really show you guys all the changes I made, but I just want to play it for you just for some fun. Hey you lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and this is my voice test. Hey you lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and this is my second voice test. Hey you lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and this is my third voice test. Hey you lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and this is my fourth voice test. Hey you lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and this is what my mic sounds like without any filters applied to it. No Voicemeter at all. Hey you lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and I believe this is my final voice test. Forget what I just said. This is my last voice test. One last voice test for the run. I keep saying this will be my last voice test, but this is probably my last voice test. I'm the Jawesome one, and I believe I have finally found the perfect spot. Hey lads and ladies, I'm the Jawesome one, and I believe I may have finally found the right spot. After listening for some time back and forth between some of my other options, I listened to this one, and I think I like this one the most. This is the same selection as before, only I brought down the bass a bit harder. This is the same as the last one, except this time I brought down the decibel count more. That way my voice doesn't come across as so loud. That last test was a bit too low for my liking, so I brought it up by about 3 more decibels. It's now at negative 6.6, and this, I think, is the perfect spot for me. Scratch that. Just for some fun, I brought down the bass a little bit more to see if I like it. So there you go. This right here, that last one that you heard, that's what I'm using right now, and these are the very settings that I have. Mostly what I messed with was just over here, and this one in particular. So if you like these settings and if you like this, I highly recommend getting Voicemeter. I will leave links to where you can get this in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do decide to get it, I think it's really great. I think it's going to be really great. My only problem with it is that I think it makes my voice sound less authentic. I don't think I sound quite as much like a real person. And largely, I just blame that on my circumstances. I'm not exactly the kind of guy who has a mic stand and a pop filter and soundproofing on all the walls. I'm just not in that kind of position. So yeah, that's the way this is going to be for now. And I hope you guys appreciate it and understand where I'm coming from. And I hope you guys do enjoy it regardless. So with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good one. Bye-bye.